Bye. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking. Look, it's going to be smoking. Look, it's going to be swearing. Look, you've been warned. So look, here I come. In 3, 2, 1. Bye. Welcome, everybody. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. Welcome. My name is Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth. The greatest show. Well, in the multiverse. Greatest show in the daggone multiverse. We have a great show for you. Bye. Today. Oh, yeah, we do. Hope everyone enjoyed their weekend. Hope everyone enjoyed their weekend. Look. All right, let's get down to business. Bang, we got some nice ones today. So today's all investment vehicle day. Today is investment vehicle day with some big names. What kind of big names, Shomari? Well, you want to hear this name? Fidelity, Bang, and Standard Charters and TPICAD are going to open a Bitcoin exchange. What? Fidelity is going to open a Bitcoin exchange? This is taking shit to levels I didn't think so. I thought Fidelity was just going to drop a whole bunch of funds. College savings funds, 401ks, IRAs. All right, so let's get into it. Now, the next story is ARK and 21Shares are going to file for a Bitcoin ETF, and so we'll talk about that when we get there, but this is in America. But there's a lot to talk about the 21Shares, the company there, okay? So get ready for that. And then Deutsche Börse, so the actual stock exchange itself, well, they're going to offer crypto custody. What? Yeah, the actual stock exchange. Right? That'd be like the New York Stock Exchange offering crypto custody. Bang! And then finally, we're going to do the shout-outs and the daily summary as usual. So, bang, let us proceed with a bang. And then a bang. And a little bit of refresh. Let's get the fresh numbers. All right. Bitcoin, $36,024. And when I left you on Sunday, we're at $33,100. So we have gone up. $2,924. Up $2,924. All right. Look, it's nice to see a few little gains this week. And, all right. So look, top 10 of the day, brothers and sisters. You know who they are. Oh, hold on. You know who they are. The usual suspects. All right, top 10. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, Binance Coin, Cardano, Dogecoin, XRP, USD Coin, Polkadot, and Uniswap. Let's see what the market moves are. Single digits up to single digits down. Single digits up to single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. There you go, V-Chain. There you go. Single digits up, single digits down. Filecoin making moves. Single digits up, single digits down. Uh-oh, look at the Shiba posse. It's the Shiba. It wakes. The Shiba has awoken. All right, single digits up, single digits down. Oh, my gosh. If that thing goes to a penny, everyone in my chat room are going to be like billionaires. Single digits up, single digits down. And single digits up, single digits down. All right, let's see who lost money today. You see anything on here you like, go get it because, bang, it is on sale. Bang, what we got? Oh, not many sales today. All right, top 10 losers. Kadama, Cello, Bitcoin SV, Compound, Clayton, AMP, Harmony, Uniced, Leo, and Theta Fuel. Let's see who lost money. Oh, sorry, who made money today. Bye. Top 10 gainers. Oh, yeah, these are some solid gains. All right, top 10 gainers. Ethereum Classic, Bitcoin Gold, Qtum, Elrond, VeChain, Filecoin, Decred, Anchor, and Ontology. All right, let's see what the total market cap is. All right, gaining a little ground. All right, total market cap is $1.460 trillion. When I left you on Sunday, we were at $1.322 trillion. So we've gone up 0.0 .0. Fuck, I can't do this math. I don't know, man. .05 something trillion dollars. That's weird, man. I can't do that math right there. I don't know what's wrong with me right there. Anyway, 24-hour volume is $93.7 billion. All right, creeping up a little bit. And when I left you on Sunday, we were at $87.5 billion. So we've gone up $6.2 trillion. All right. That was weird. I don't know why I can't do the math on that other one there. All right. Let's keep it moving. All right. Let's get to the stories. Bang. All right. Bang. Look at this. Hold on a second. Let's move that over a little. All right. TPI cap to launch a Bitcoin exchange with Fidelity and Standard Charters. So, you all know Fidelity. They are asset managers. They offer funds and stuff like that, and they're mega. They're mega. Over $2 trillion in money under management, assets under management. Just mega. And Standard Charters obviously is a mega bank. This TPICAP thing, I don't know what that is, but whoever they are, they're lucky to be on board with this thing. I tell you that. So, yeah, that's it. They're going to offer Bitcoin trading. So, and you heard what the United Kingdom did to Binance. Right, Binance customers can't even, I don't think they're even able to take out their money right now out of the UK. All of a sudden, one of the brothers, Misanthrope, he said it perfectly, the ambush. Like, it wasn't even like, all right, 30 days, you got to get your stuff out. It was like, just no. So Binance customers are cut off in the UK, which is strange because this thing, let's read the byline, now pursuant to approval from the United Kingdom, financial regulator, TCPIP is going to do this thing. Not TCPIP, TPICAP. And, so these guys are going the right route. Obviously getting regulated and licensed by the country's regulators before you just launch your stuff there. There's this thing going on right now where these countries, they don't like Binance. They don't want to have global trading platforms. They want you to have a platform like just in their country by their exact laws, this, right? That's just something that's going on. And so you can see it happening up in Canada, in Ontario, where I grew up. Binance just got locked out of there. Again, another ambush. It wasn't like, all right, in 60 days, we're going to have to cut off your service or something. It was like, no, bang, you're cut off right now. You woke up one day and your Binance service was messed up. And so that just happened this week. Both of those, the Canada one and the UK one with Binance. So, all right. Don't forget the Binance thing. Bang! Fidelity Investments. Oh my gosh, offering a crypto exchange. So let's check this out. Well, I'm sure it's not under their name. I'm sure it's this TPICAP thing or something, but they're just part of it or something. Anyways, let's check it out. Major global interlender broker TPICAP is launching a cryptocurrency trading platform with Fidelity Investments and British banking giant Standard Charters. Bang! So that obviously this is regulated, licensed, all of it. Yeah. TPI Cap's upcoming crypto exchange is scheduled for launch in the second half of 2021. And will initially offer trading exclusively for Bitcoin, the world's largest cryptocurrency. Reuters reported Tuesday. Other digital assets like Ethereum will be added at a later stage. Oh, yeah. So unlike the majority of typical crypto exchanges, TPICAP's crypto trading platform will offer post-trade infrastructure with a network of digital asset custodians, as well as separate execution and settlement, intending to cut credit risks. The platform will use standard chartered digital asset custody on a unit known as Zodiac Custody, an institutional-grade crypto custody solution launched in December 2020. Bah! Amsterdam-based market maker Flow Traders will provide liquidity to the platform. According to the report, the platform is awaiting approval from the United Kingdom's financial regulator, the FCA, the Financial Conduct Authority. Neither Standard Charters nor Fidelity Investments have invested in the platform, TPICAP told reporters. Duncan Trenholm, TPICAP's co-head of digital assets, said that investor demand for crypto as a new asset class has exploded over the past 6 to 8 months. Exactly. Every time, what have we been reading all year? Every single time we read about some CEO of some bank, what are they always saying? The demand. They're demanding it. My customers are demanding it. They're demanding it. They're about to rip my flipping head off if I don't give it to them. I got to feed these beasts. You know what I'm saying? Got to feed the beasts. Know what I mean? You got the torches and pitchforks at the door. Give us the crypto, motherfucker. So. All right. He goes on to say, in most of our conversations with clients, they want a separation of custodial roles from execution capabilities, which is opposite to the models that exist currently. Okay. TPICAP has been actively moving into crypto in recent years, introducing a number of crypto-related services. In June 2019, TPICAP entered the crypto derivatives market, allowing its customers to buy or sell Chicago Mercantile Exchange's Bitcoin futures, CME futures. The company was also planning to add support for Bitcoin forward contract settlement. Bang! So there you go. A federally regulated, licensed with big names. Fidelity, Standard Chartered. This looks like the beginnings of something special now. This looks like the beginnings of something special. Yeah, they have the institutional grade custody. Obviously, they're going to have institutional grade insurance and everything. They didn't mention that, but obviously, it's Fidelity. And so, yeah, guys, this is amazing, amazing, amazing. Bang! Let's move on. Boom! Kathy Wood's ARK Invest teams up with 21Shares to file for Bitcoin ETF. So, what makes this story special? Well, this is another filing for an ETF here in America. So this is an ETF in America. What makes this special is 21Shares. How many 21Shares are the guys we're reading about in Germany and Switzerland throwing all those ETPs over there? That's 21Shares, the same company. So now they're trying to get started over here with an ETF. Now, you know, if you're 21Shares, you get to go to the SEC and say, well, SEC, how many? I don't even know how many. They must have about 10 ETPs of different cryptos and stuff between the Deutsche Börse, and which we're about to read now, and the 6 stock exchange in Switzerland, right? And so when they're applying for an ETF here in America, they can easily say, wow, we have like 10 ETPs in Europe. No market manipulation, no problem. Right? Approve us. And so that's what I like about this application as opposed to all the other SEC applications is that, well, 21Shares actually has ETPs already running, right? No one else does. Everyone's just trying to get their first ones. And so I don't know, kind of gives them I guess like a head start. You know what I'm saying? You can already say to the SEC, look, we're already doing it. So let's check it out. So ARK Investment Management has become the latest firm to file for a Bitcoin ETF exchange-traded fund. According to a June 28 filing with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, submitted in partnership with European exchange-traded product issuer 21Shares, the ETF would be listed on the Chicago Board of Options Exchanges, the CBOE's BZX exchange, and trade under the ticker symbol ARKB. The ETF would also track the S&P Bitcoin Index, with the trust underpinning the ETF also holding Bitcoin directly. Bah! So direct Bitcoin holdings, taking them off the market, creating scarcity, driving up price. The filing has received praise from the crypto industry. And here's some praise right here from this guy. All right, Cathie Wood, the CEO and founder of ARK Invest, also serves as a board member to 21Shares. According to CoinShares, 21Shares is currently the fourth largest institutional crypto product issuer by assets under management, with more than $1 billion. ETF analyst Eric Balkunas told BNN Bloomberg that if approved, the Bitcoin ETF would be of significant benefit to 21Shares, allowing the firm to penetrate the U.S. market. Exactly. I mean, they've been, most of the ETFs we read about, ETPs, coming out of Europe, are from 21Shares, right? There's a few other guys we've been reading about, but 21Shares has the vast majority of what we've been reading. And so, well, then here they come. They come into the American market, so that's great. ARK is a big investor in the crypto space, holding shares in Grayscale's Bitcoin and Ethereum trusts, in addition to Coinbase stock. Cathie Wood is also a major Bitcoin proponent, recently reiterating her prediction that Bitcoin price will one day tag 500 Gs despite the recent crypto downturn. Despite the SEC having rejected every application it has received for Bitcoin ETF so far, Wood recently speculated that the odds of an ETF being approved by the regulator improved after the recent crypto retracement. Earlier this month, the SEC delayed decisions on two major Bitcoin ETFs, extending the review period for the respective Bitcoin ETFs proposed by VanEck and Valkyrie Digital. All right, we read those. So, bang! So we have another ETF filing. What makes this one special is that 21Shares already runs a whole bunch of ETPs out of Europe and Germany, out of Germany and Switzerland. So, I mean, they're already doing it, and there's no market manipulation, no problem. So the SEC, should look upon that favorably, obviously, right? I mean, well, it's not, it's not getting manipulated over here, SEC. What's the problem? Let's have one right here. And so that's what's cool about this story. Plus, just we always follow what ETFs are being registered here in America. So here's another one. And I don't know. I mean, we'll see. We'll just see. We got big brains in there. And like I said, these guys are running a whole bunch of ETPs. So what's the problem? All right, so let's see what happens. Bang! And then finally, bang! The Deutsche Börse moves into crypto custody with $108.6 million buy of Crypto Finance AG stake. So, well, this is like the New York Stock Exchange or the Dow Jones offering crypto custody. You know what I mean? This is big. This is huge. Where are they taking this? You wonder. Where are they taking this? Are they going to be a crypto exchange? Are they going to, what's going to happen? What's going to happen? So it's interesting, and so that's why we're reading it. So let me light this cigarette and we'll proceed. Yeah, I mean, there's not much to yap on. These stories are sort of self-explanatory. So like, even though the prices of crypto have gone down in the past few months, you could see that, well, the market is still growing, right? The market is growing and growing. So why I always used to tell you, and I always say, don't worry about the price, because that these day-to-day prices that we're dealing with these retail investors, who cares? right? The place is still growing. The place is still being built, right? New investment vehicles, here it is, Deutsche Börse, for fuck's sake, just offering custody. So we see where this is going. You can see where this is going, right? We don't even have full regulatory clarity in most countries in the world, and especially not here in America yet. And so, obviously, when those things happen, you can see that the infrastructure of this place is already here, right? That's why when I tell you there's a tsunami coming, when it comes, it's going to be instant. They're not going to have to wait for all this shit to be built. They're not going to have to wait for custody. Custody's here. Here it is, right? They're not going to have to wait to dabble in investment vehicles because here they are, right? I mean, obviously, some will still have to be made later down the road, and they will, of course, but the groundwork, the foundations for the market, which is what this channel shows you, is being built every day, right? And we're reading the biggest names coming in now, right? Here it is, the Deutsche Börse. I mean, that's the same as the Dow Jones offering custody, right? Börse means exchange. Deutsch, obviously German. So that's the same as the New York Stock Exchange. And so that's why I always tell you, just keep your eyes focused on that, Don't worry about the day-to-day up and down, up and down. I mean, we do watch it here on this channel, just for, a daily overview, right? It's the wise thing to do, just see what's happening today, but don't let that concern you. Too much, right? Just understand that this whole market's being built out. All right, so let's check it out. Deutsche Börse Group said it has agreed to buy a 2/3 stake in Crypto Finance AG for more than $108 million, moving the German-based exchange deeper into the crypto asset class by allowing it to now offer custody and other crypto-related services to institutional and professional clients. Bang! Right, all the big dogs, all the big banksters, hedge funds, all those guys. Deutsche Börse said its investment was in the moderate three-digit Swiss franc million range. Given that 1 million Swiss francs is currently valued at 108 million, the price has been at least that much. The exchange said the deal extends its offering from digital assets by providing a direct entry point for investments, including post-trade services such as custody. Nice. So if you're a hedge fund using this service, you don't have to have your own separate custody. They're offering the custody service right here. Switzerland-based, obviously that's what this whole thing's about. Sorry. Switzerland-based Crypto Finance offers 24/7 trading and brokerage of more than 200 digital assets in combination with in-house custody. Bang! So, see, the big guys, that's what we want. We want the big guys not only investing in just Bitcoin, but all of these things. So 200 digital assets. Hold on, let me put this so you can see it. 200 digital assets, right? Right? You want these mega boys, to come get your VeChain, your Stellars, your IOTAs, all of them. Right? Not just Bitcoin. So this is great, and this is professional, institutional grade, institutional level. Obviously, it's the Deutsche Börse. Through connections to a variety of digital asset venues worldwide, Crypto Finance bridges the problem of liquidity fragmentation in the market. Deutsche Börse said, professional and institutional clients can directly invest in digital assets without having to set up their own infrastructure and operational frameworks. Bang! It's a one-stop shop for the big boys. Deutsche Börse said its goal is to create a neutral, transparent, and highly scalable digital asset ecosystem under European regulation, regulated. Anyone will be able to use it. Wow, the big boys, I mean. Digital assets will transform the financial industry, said Thomas Book, executive board member for trading and clearing at Deutsche Börse. There's increasing demand from established financial institutions who are looking to become active in this new asset class and want a trusted partner. So, bang! Do you see? What is it? Again, we read it again. What is it? There's what? Increasing demand. That's all a market is, supply and demand. The more people demand something, Well, the higher the price of that thing goes up, right? That asset goes up. What am I reading you every day? This bank says we're offering this because of demand. This bank offering this because of demand. This time it's the whole Deutsche Börse, the whole stock exchange because of demand. So don't worry when prices are just sitting around here paused in the 30,000s and that for a little while. Eventually the demand pushes the price. It just takes a little building up and then whoosh, you go on another run. And then it builds up again and then whoosh, another run. That's how markets work. And so increasing demand. That's the best. I mean, when you got to be scared is, if guys start shutting down their, if shutting down their digital asset offerings, well, no one's using it. We're shutting down. Like, that's the time to be afraid. But now, what is it? Buy, increasing demand. So grabbing a stake in the Swiss firm is not Deutsche Börse's first foray into cryptocurrency custody, however, as it was originally a member of the Swiss-based Custodigit Consortium, alongside Swisscom and digital asset bank Signum, but has since left the group. The Frankfurt Stock Exchange owner has now found another road into custody, with a particular focus on Switzerland as well as Singapore, where crypto finance also has a presence. Okay, so they're going to get out in there to Switzerland and Singapore too. Crypto finance founder and CEO Jan Brze will continue to run the business. The transaction is expected to close in Q4 this year. Bang! Pending regulatory approval. So, there it is. Deutsche Börse comes into crypto custody. And so, again, just the market's being built all around us. Don't get caught up. Like I tell people on this channel since the beginning, don't get caught up in the prices yet. Because this party hasn't even started. Right now, we're in this space with just a bunch of retail investors. And what I used to call, back in the days, just cult members. People who are just obsessed with, sort of one coin. They're just all in on one coin, kind of type people. They're kind of cult members, right? This coin is the best one in the world, and that's it, kind of thing. Well, around here, obviously, we diversify portfolios. We invest properly. We don't put all our eggs in one. Wait, how does it say? Don't put all your eggs in one basket or something like that. So, but yeah, so stay strong and don't worry in that you see that everything's growing, everything's being built, and bigger names are coming. We just talked about Fidelity. We just talked about 21Shares, and now, bang, the actual Deutsche Börse offering custody itself. And so, those are the kind of things we can expect to see here in America one day, finally, if they finally get around to, well, not if, when they finally get around to regulating and legislating around here. Well, we're going to see the exact same things. And so things are taking time, but things are moving along continually. This train ain't stopping. This train's rolling, and nothing's stopping it. All right, let's move on. But what we got over here? John followed me, all right? John, veteran, social worker, father. Remember the Zebra, the bang. Misanthrope, universal misanthrope, loyalist from Central Europe, holding down the insurgency. Remember the Zebra, the bang. What is he talking about? Maybe this is interesting. What's interesting? Oh, Coinbase got a custody license in Germany. Oh, good for them. All right. Bang. The market. Love the Zebra, the bang. This guy keeps sending me these things. He sent me like 4 in a row right here. All right, Lorna Allen Downs, look. Everyone knows how Lorna be. She said, look. Bang. I'm all in. Yeah. She said she's all in. And as you can see, she is. So look, love you girl, see you girl. Bye. New follower. Rajith N. Dare to think. Yes. Do so. Good thoughts. Your head is not just for holding your hair. You know what I'm saying? Yes. Your head is not just for holding your hair. Let's see with the buy. Use it. DP Entertainment. So, brother. Love and see with the bang. Sunny B, Spy Lady, Levy Lady, C Lady, bang. We got, here's everybody right here. We got Banks, Love with the C brother. Bang. Bitcoin Kong. Wow. Love with the C brother. Bang. Robbie Hardaway. Love with the C brother. Bang. Biniam connecting the dots. Love with the C brother. Bang. Roy Stoke. Love with the C brother. Bang. Crypto Legal. Love with the C brother. Bang. Oh, here's a new person. Safe Solus. Safe So Ice. All right. Oh, SafeCoin. Runs on an optimized Solana code base. Decentralized, low-cost, ultra-fast blockchain with smart contracts, unofficially bridging communities. All right. Sounds like a good plan. Love and see with the bang. Andrew Racheda, the enforcer. Look, juice wood squeeze, fuck sticks. Love and see brother. Bang. Grunstable. Love and see brother. Bang. Radster. Oh, England won today. England beat Germany, man, in the Euro 2020. That was a good game. Look, the glory. All right, for Queen and country. But he's holding down the insurgency in the Eastern European sector. Love with the sea brother. Bye. But he comes originally, I guess, out of England. Kenneth Hines. Love with the sea brother. Bye. All right, that's everybody right there. Oh, there's Edwin. Look, Love with the sea brother. The original. Bye. Oh, Kong's got a look for us. You know how Kong do with a little bit of bang. Bang. All right, let's do it. Fidelity Standard Charter is going to offer some Bitcoin trading. Bang. 21Shares filing for Bitcoin ETF. Bang. Deutsche Börse crypto custody. Bang. Yes. All right. That's everybody. Who's this? John Codes. Full stack JS developer. React Prisma. Oh, this guy. Crypto enthusiast. Bitcoin address. This guy sounds like a... What? JavaScript developer? Is that what that means? Anyway, love and see with the bye. All right, that's everybody. Let's move on. Let's get back to the Death Star. Bye. Welcome back, everybody. So, we had a great show for you today. Just a quickie, not much to talk about. Well, in terms of Yap, they are what they are, right? So, it's a quick show. Oh, we're just over half an hour. So, let's just wrap it up then here. Fidelity and TP ICAD and Standard Charters are going to start a Bitcoin exchange. And so that's amazing. Licensed regulated exchange in England. So, those English boys, I told you, the world market is New York, London, Tokyo, right? Those are the three top. And so you want this is the kind of stuff we want to see coming out of England. Lately I've been complaining to you guys, man, why the fuck aren't we seeing any investment vehicles coming out of England, right? And so this is mega. This is amazing. This is the kind of stuff that'll get the British hedge fund guys, the British banksters, and all them. This will get them worked up and get them into crypto, daggone, right? Because it's a regulated platform, and so can't wait till this starts second half of this year, and we'll be keeping our eye on it. So, bang. And then ARK and 21Shares file for Bitcoin ETF here in America. And so we always keep track of who's filing for ETFs here in America, since America keeps dissing everybody so far. But, we got Big Brains Gensler. Come on, buddy. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Big Brains is in there. Hopefully we get one. And what makes this application especially nice is that this company, 21Shares, they're the guys with half the ETPs we read about coming out of Switzerland and Germany. So they obviously have experience doing them. They have experience making them. Obviously, they're not being manipulated. And so that excuse of, we don't want to approve, the excuse of America in America is, we don't want to approve an ETF because an ETF can be manipulated. Well, 21Shares has about 10 ETPs over there in Europe. They're all running quite smoothly. And so No problems. And so, it's just a matter of time with the SEC. It's just a matter of time. You can't just keep saying market manipulation, and there is none, right? Like, that kind of talk worked in 2018, 2019, when there were no ETPs, there were no ETFs, there was nothing. And so, okay, you never know. But come on, Canada's got 6 ETFs. Germany and Switzerland, we've been reading about dozens of them there. We read about that one in Dubai the other day. I mean, the other one in Brazil the other day too. No manipulation. So that excuse of, well, we're going to deny it because it can be manipulated, that is wearing thin. It's wearing thin now because, wow, as we can see, they're not being manipulated anywhere in the world. And so let's go Big Brains Gensler. And so for 21 shares, bang, good for them. And then finally, the Deutsche Börse is getting into crypto custody. So again, another thing that allows the big mega banksters and mega hedge fund guys to come into the space. Like I've taught you before, a hedge fund is not allowed to put their money, their clients' money on Binance or fucking BitMEX or something. They're not allowed to do that. Those are unregulated exchanges. You have to have your money on regulated exchanges. And so, follow the laws and shit. And so, that the customers have protections and stuff, stuff like that too. And so, that's what this is. Obviously, it's the Deutsche Börse. So, obviously, it's regulated and licensed and everything. And this will allow the German big boys to come. And it said they're going to offer direct crypto buying and trading. It said, over 200 assets they want to put on it. And they're going to offer the custody right there. So that's what's perfect about this Deutsche Börse thing, is that it's not just Bitcoin. They're going to everything, IOTA, Stellar, VeChain, all of them, right? Chainlink, all of it. And so that's going to release the German big boys to now play with these altcoins that I've been talking about. It can't just be, all right, everyone's buying Bitcoin. Everyone's talking about Bitcoin. Okay, it's all Bitcoin. What about the rest? And like I've told you, these other companies, VeChain, Chainlink, and all that, they're viable companies. They're real companies doing real work, generating revenue. And so when the German fund masters, when those analysts say, when the fund master says, yeah, well, who's making money in crypto land? Yeah, well, their analysts are going to show them, and they're going to come and start scooping it up, thus driving up the prices for us. I mean, that's what's so amazing is that, about this particular story is that this is opening up the market to 200 cryptos, they said. We don't know the list of the cryptos, but I'm sure probably whatever you own is probably in this list, in the list. And so we can start seeing, by the end of this year, we should start feeling the effects of this thing, of like market masters being able to put their money into our altcoins, our small caps and stuff like that, right? Not just always just the Bitcoin, right? And so this is the story of the day. This is great stuff. Well, and also, I guess, the Fidelity one, too. This Fidelity story is the same. I mean, they said at first they're going to offer only Bitcoin, but that Standard Charters and Fidelity said, and this TPI cap thing, said they're going to offer more tokens on it as well, right? It's just starting with Bitcoin, and then they're going to expand out. So I guess in terms of that, that's the same as the Deutsche Börse one, I'm telling you, a regulated licensed place where banksters and that can put their clients' money in. If I'm a hedge fund master, I'm allowed to buy VeChain for my client off the Deutsche Börse. You know what I mean? I'm allowed to buy Chainlink. I'm allowed to buy fucking whatever, Stellar, all of them, Singularity Net, anything, right? As long as it's there, I can get it because it's regulated and licensed, right? Whereas, like I've told you before, they're not allowed to put their clients' money on BitMEX or Bitstamp and all that kind of stuff. Those are unregulated exchanges, right? And so this Fidelity one is also a good one. You know, like I've told you, in the world, the three hubs of the world finance are New York, London, Tokyo, right? And then Switzerland comes in, you know, a close fourth. And so for Fidelity and these guys to be coming out with this trading platform here in London, regulated trading platform that London hedge fund boys are allowed to use. Wow. Oh. So just these two things coming online here later this year, expect good things. Great things. All right, so on that note, let's just shill it and kill it. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Bang, subscribe below, press the bell. You get an automatic notification when I do the show. The greatest show on earth. Greatest show. Look. Oh, yeah. The multiverse. Look, my name's Shomari Clarke. Love talking money. Bang, love talking crypto. Bang, this is the favorite time of my day. So thank you for having me in your home, and I'll see you all tomorrow for another fun fact-filled day of crypto talk. Look. But until then, subscribe here, press the bell. Watch that video there, greatest of the multiverse, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. My name is Shomari Clarke. Look, always watching our money. Look, and most importantly, I am always on duty. Bye. Yes. Yes, indeed. Over and out.